Hello everyone. Welcome to my video editing tutorial channel. Today I will show you the magic of Smart CutOut. Smart CutOut is one of the most powerful features of Filmora. Let's begin the tutorial. Import an image like this. This type of image you can download from pexels.com or pixabay.com. If you can't find this particular type of image, don't worry. I've included it in the video description. Add the image to the timeline. Increase the size of the image. Copy the image and paste it into the timeline. Select the top layer image. Go to the AI tools and enable Smart CutOut. Click to start Smart CutOut. Select Brush. Change the size of the brush if required. From this image, I will only keep the hand and the pencil. That's why I drag the brush on the hand and pencil. The color of the hand and pencil has already changed to blue. But some parts of the hand still have not changed. That's why I have to go to the zoom option. Select the hand button and go to the specific position. Select the brush again for cutout. There is also an erase option in the Smart CutOut. You can use it whenever you need it. After the cutout process, only the hand and pencil will be visible on the black screen. Add a green screen from stock media in the middle of both images. Change the size and position of the green screen. Take a snapshot of the screen. Remove everything from the timeline. Add the snapshot to the timeline. Add a video to the below track. Increase the size of the image. Go to AI tools and enable the chroma key to remove the green screen. Now change the size and position of the video accordingly. That's all from this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.